of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Welcome back to Scholarships News Bulletin. Prime Minister's Scholarship Scheme open applications for higher technical and professional education for the dependent wards of Railway Protection Force and Railway Protection Special Force. Last date of application is 30th of November 2021. Application open for Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship for college and university students 2021. Last date of application is 30/11/2021. Applications open for Prime Minister's Scholarship Scheme for Central Armed Police Forces and Assam Rifles 2021. Last date of application is 15/10/2021. Applications open for Prime Minister's Scholarship Scheme for wards of states, union territories, police personnel martyred during terror, Naxal attacks. Last date of application is 15th of October 2021. NSDL Shiksha Sayog invites scholarship applications for undergraduate and master's degree programs during 2021 to 2022. Last date of application is 30th of September 2021. Elcom Foundation invites applications for Sri Samprada Singh Scholarship Program for class 1 to 12 and undergraduates 2021 to 2022. Last date of application is 12/10/2021. Applications open for Major League Hacking MLH Fellowship. Last date of application is 22/10/2021. Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad invites applications for CTL Postdoctoral Fellow. Last date of application is 15/11/2021. Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhopal invites applications for Project Postdoctoral Fellow. Last date of application is 30th of October 2021. British Council offers Going Global Partnerships Grant. Last date of application is 12th of October 2021. Solitude Fellowship 2022 to 2023. Academize Colos Solitude supports young artists, scholars, scientists as well as cultural and economic professionals via residential fellowships. Last date of application is 30th of November 2021. International Monetary Fund invites applications for International Monetary Fund Youth Fellowship Program 2021. Last date of application is 24/9/2021. Meghalaya Institute of Governance and the Indian School of Business invites applications for Meghalaya Legislative Research Fellowship. Last date of application is 20/9/2021. Shastra in IIT Madras invites applications for Shastra Juniors competitions for school students class 1 to 12. Last date of application is 30th of October 2021. Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology, Government of West Bengal invites applications for Jagadish Bose National Science Talent Search 2021 for science students of West Bengal. Last date of application is 20th of October 2021. Applications open for Youth Ideathon India at 75. Youth Ideathon is India's largest festival of ideas for K-12 students. It aims to develop a spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship in school students. Last date of application is 20th of October 2021. The Bio Innovation Institute Foundation and American Association for the Advancement of Science invites applications for Bio Innovation Institute and Science Prize for Innovation. Last date of application is 1/11/2021. Reserve Bank of India invites applications for Reserve Bank of India Summer Internship Program. Last date of application is 6/12/2021. MITAX Global Link Research Internship 2022. MITAX Global Link Research Internship is a competitive initiative for international undergraduate students. Last date of application is 22/9/2021. For more details and updated information, visit scholarshipsinindia.com. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.